Hello, I've just come down to the slip at Fiddown, County Kilkenny, just to have a quick look because I knew the tide was out, and it's a fair way when you consider the tide. Obviously this river, the River Shore, is tidal all the way up to Carrick, another 5-6 mile up there. The tide comes up to here. And this little waz just laps that. That's a fair way. Covers all of this brush and green stuff. All of that gets covered twice a day. Well, spring tides anyway. So I'm planning to bring the boat down here the next couple of days. I've been out of here before. Nice slipway. I'm just trying to do the twin battery thing at the moment, which it's not so much wiring it up, it's where to put the second battery is a bit of a problem on my smart fisher. Anyway, just a little quick video, show you what's happening. So, back to the motor vehicle. There we go. There you go. Hey, poxy crayfish again. Hope you can see that. I've not read it, but I would imagine it's that American crayfish. Anyway, I'll have a read it. Okay, cocky. Right, there's Fiddown Bridge. You go across there. That's an island right in front where the boat is. That's an island there. There's another side to the river over there. The river splits up there. This is the main channel. The other channel goes the other side of the island, all the way along. And then the bridge goes across the island to County Waterford. Anyway, and these are the traditional boats they use on the river. I forget what they're called. If you can see that. But anyway, as I say, just a little quick video about where I launch the boat from when I'm on the river, rather than when I'm going out to sea. When I go out to sea, I launch at a little beautiful little village called Helvik, down in County Waterford, the other side of Dungarvan Bay. But this is where I launch when I'm on the river. There's lots of sea trout coming up the river at the moment, apparently. Can't see anything jumping. Anyway, back to the car. All the best. Speak soon. Bye.